Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is apex. It's pronounced apex, and it is spelt A-P-E-X. Think ape and then X. Apex means the top or highest part of something, especially one forming a point. For example, you could say, the apex of the pyramid is the point at the very top. The word apex comes from the Latin apex, meaning summit, peak, tip, top, or end. Its meaning is pretty much unchanged today. Have you heard of the popular video game, Apex Legends? Have you ever wondered where it got its name? In the game, characters are called legends, and they battle it out to become the Apex Legend. As we know, apex means the top or highest part of something. By winning the game, you become the top or apex player. Apex is a noun. For example, you could say, the clouds completely covered the mountain's apex. However, the word apex does not have to be used to refer to a physical peak or high point. For example, you could say the apex of a footballer's career is when he hoists aloft the World Cup, which uses apex to refer to the high point of a career. For example, you could say the apex of the footballer's career was when he hoisted aloft the World Cup. This uses apex to refer to the high point of a career. Apex is defined in the dictionary as the top, highest point, or most successful part of something. Apex's synonyms include tip, peak, summit, pinnacle, top, highest, crest, and climax. Antonyms include base, bottom, foundation, and foot. See if you can see any apexes around you now. Can you see the tip of a roof or the top of a hill or tree? Impress your friends and family by pointing out that it is an apex. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.